Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to run ads on Instagram in 2025. Step by step, even if you are a total beginner, whether you are promoting a product, building your brand or growing your audience, this guide has everything you need. Let's jump in. Before you run your first Instagram ad, here's what you will need. A Facebook Meta account, a Meta Business Suite account, an Instagram business account, a Facebook page connected to your Instagram, a product, service, or offer to promote. Make sure your Instagram is set to business or creator mode and it's linked to a Facebook page. That's how Meta lets you run ads. Go to business.facebook.com and log in. If you haven't already set up your Meta Business Suite, from there head into business settings and connect your Instagram account and Facebook page. Inside business settings, go to add accounts, click add, then select create a new ad account. Give it a name, choose your time zone and currency, and assign access to yourself. You can run Instagram ads in two main ways. Using Meta ads, boosting posts directly from the Instagram app, using Meta Ads Manager for full control. Use Ads Manager if you want better targeting like A/B testing and tracking. Go to Ads Manager, Ads Manager facebook.com. Then hit OK. Click Create. Choose a campaign objective for Instagram. Most common ones are engagement, traffic, sales, leads. Choose sales. If you are running a Shopify or print on demand store, choose traffic for links or landing page. Then click continue. Now define your audience like location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors. Use detailed targeting to get super specific. For example, target online shoppers, fitness lovers, or parents with toddler. Under placements, choose manual and select only Instagram placements you want, like feed, stories, reels, or explore. Set your daily or lifetime budget and your ad schedule. You can start with as little as $5 to $10 a day and scale later. Now it's time to build your actual ad. Choose a format, single image or video, Reels ad. Upload your content, write a compelling caption and pick a call to action like shop now, learn more, or send messages. Once everything looks good, click publish. Your ad will be reviewed by Meta, and if it meets the guidelines, it will go live within 30 minutes to a few hours. After your ad is live, monitor its performance in the Ads Manager. Watch for key metrics like CTR, click-through rate, CPC, cost per click, return on ad spend, impressions and reach. Pause underperforming ads, duplicate and scale the winners. And that's how you advertise on Instagram in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on Reels ad or ad creatives. Thanks for watching.